So x coordinate of O is the 0. First one is integral of 0 to root 3. Integral of 0 to root 3. Line equation only. It is a line enclosed with x-axis. Vertical strips we are going to take dx. Next root 3 to 2. So it is the only circle part, no line, circle with dx, circle of dx, okay na? Circle of dx, everyone see? First one I am writing here. So integral of 0 to root 3, y value of line, y value is the x by root 3 into dx. Y value of circle is x square plus y square is equal to 4. Y square is equal to 4 minus x square. Y is equal to 4 minus x square into dx. 4 means 2 square minus x square into dx. Write down the formulas and simplify, get the answer. Write down the formulas and simplify, get the answer. Fast. 1 by root 3 is common. X indefinite integration is the x square by 2. Limits are 0 to root 3. Plus, this is the formula, x by 2 same root over 2 square minus x square plus a square by 2, 2 square by 2. Sin inverse of x by a, x by 2, limits are root 3 to 2. Right, apply the limits. Here is upper limit 1 by root 3, upper limit is the 3 square, 3 square is the 3 by 2, lower limit is the minus, 0 square is the 0. Upper limit write down, here is the 2 by 2. Root over 2 square, x place is the 2 square plus 1 2 is cancelled, 2 sin inverse of x place is the 2 by 2 minus lower limit write down everyone, lower limit write down root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root of 2 square, root 3 square by 2 means 3 by 4 plus 2 sin inverse of x place is the root 3 by 2 close. Now simplify everyone. Here is the 3 by 2 root 3 plus this part is 0. This part is 0, write 0. Second one is the 2 into sin inverse of 1 minus root 3 by 2. This is the 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3 is the root 13. 16 minus 3 is the root 13. See everyone, 4 that is equal to root 3 square. Sorry. This is the root 3, this is the 3, this write down everyone, root 3 by 2, so 4 minus 1 is the 1, plus 2 sin inverse of, root 3 by 2 is the 30 degree, yes, 30 degree, sin 30 is the 1 by 2, sin 60 degrees, pi by 3, right, simplify, everyone simplify. Sin 60 degrees is the root 3 by 2. Simplify everyone. This is root 3 by 2. Root 3 times is cancelled. 2 into sin inverse of 1 is the pi by 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 pi by 3. Root 3 by 2 is cancelled. Root 3 by 2 is cancelled. Remaining write down 2 is cancelled, 5 minus 2 pi by 3. Simplify, answer is pi by 3 square units. Right down. Completed candidates go through the seventh problem. Completed candidates go through the seventh problem. Find the area of the smallest part of a circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square, cut off by the line a square is equal to root 2. A square is equal a by root x is equal to a by root 2. Right. Everyone read seventh problem once again. Find the area of the smallest part of a circle. Smallest part of a circle. Circle equation is given. X square plus y square is equal to a square. Center is 0, 0. Radius is a. Cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. Cut off by the line x is equal to a by root 2. Okay. A by root 2 parties we can check one time. A by root 2. Everyone see the seventh problem. First everyone see the seventh problem. First one is circle equation is given. Seventh problem. Given circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Center is 0, 0. Radius is a. One point is completed. And one more line is given. What is the given line is? Given line is given. Given line. What is the given line is? X is equal to a by root 2. A by root 2. Roughly I am going to take. So this is the way we are going to represent the point. A value let it be as a 1 by root 2, 1 by 1.414, okay na? 1.154 divide 0.709 mean, so 0.70 mean, it is the roughly above 1, roughly it is the near to 1, 0.5 above, 0.5 above. Draw the figure everyone. 0.5 above. Everyone see the draw the point figure. First one circle draw figure of circle. Right. First I will draw the figure of circle. Right, first center is 0, 0. Line is, I am going to draw the line. So 1 by root 2 means, so roughly a point is let it be as a 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 by root 2. That is equal to 1 by 1.414 by roughly dividing 0.7090 we can get roughly. So this is nearly 1 point means nearly here only we can be draw line, vertical line, x is equal to k, vertical line. Okay na? This smallest area is required. So here is the x is equal to a by 2. This is the point x is equal to a by 2. This line x is equal to a by root 2. X is equal to a by root 2. X value is the a by root 2 comma 0. X value we know that this horizontal strips, this vertical strips we can draw because of we know the x-axis. Vertical strips we can draw the vertical strips. So downside also not in the first quadrant. Downside also we require. This is the two equal parts. One part area, find out. This is the A, this is the A radius, this is the A point, A comma 0, this is the radius, 0 to A, distance is the A radius, x value is the A by root 2, A by root 2 to this part, vertical strips I am going to take, but two equal parts we have, that is the 2 times I will write, okay na? Right, area is equal to area of the region, bounded region, area of the bounded region. Write down everyone. I will take the vertical strips because of x value is given. X is equal to a by root 2 integral of smallest part this area. So this is the a by root 2 to a. So this is the y in value into dx. Y value find out from the circle equation. Y value find out from the circle equation. What is the y value should be write down from the circle equation. Integral of a by root 2 to a. What is the y value? Is the root over a square minus x square into dx. Write down, you already know that formula. Write down the formula and simplify. We get the answer. A square minus x square formula. Write down. X by 2 same root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. Limits are a by root 2 to a. First upper limit substitute. First upper limit substitute everyone. First upper limit. First upper limit substitute. Upper limit is x place is the a by 2 root over a square. X place is the a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x place is the a by a. Upper limit is completed. Lower limit substitute in place of x. X place is the a by 2 root 2 a by root 2 root over a square. X square means a square by 2. Next plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x place is the a by root 2. Already downside is the a. Right, simplify everyone. Simplify. We get the answer. Simplify, you get the answer. Everyone simplify. Everyone simplify. Here is the 0. Here is the a square by 2 sin inverse of 1. Here is the a by 2 root 2. This is the root over a square by 2 plus a square minus a square by 2 minus into plus is the minus sin inverse of a cancel 1 by root 2. Write down the values. So this is a square by 2 sin inverse of 1 is the pi by 2 minus a by 2 root 2 a by root 2 minus a square by 2 sin inverse of 1 by root 2 is the pi by 4. Right, simplify everyone. Simplify. So here is a square pi by 4 minus a square by 4 minus a square pi by 8. All terms a square is common. Take a square is common. Denominator 4 is common. Here is the pi. Here is the 4 common. A also common 1. Here is a square by 4 common. Pi by 2. Alright, simplify. A square by 4 pi minus pi by 2 is the pi by 2 minus 1. Check the answer. Pi by 2 minus 1 square units is the answer. some logically workout means easy problem, but small you have to practice, then only you get. Right, everyone read the 8th problem. Completed candidates read the 8th problem. The area between x is equal to y square and x is equal to 4 is divided into two equal parts. X is equal to 4 is divided into two equal parts by the line x is equal to a. Find the value of a. Once again I am going to read the 8th problem. Everyone, you can see the 8th problem. So these area of the integrals we can be practiced one time. We can get easily. But without practice we cannot understand. One time we can be practiced. Right, 8th problem, everyone see. The area between x is equal to y square means y square is equal to 4ax, right-handed parabola. Right, everyone see. Everyone see 8th problem. Y given parabola y square is equal to x. One equation is completed. Next, and the line also given x is equal to 4. Line is given, line x is equal to 4. Line x is equal to 4 is given, right? First draw the figure, everyone. Right-handed parabola. Right-handed parabola passing through origin. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. This is the x is equal to 4. Right? Next, x is equal to a in the line, dividing the O to A path, dividing the O to A into two equal parts. I will take x is equal to a. This is the x is equal to a. X is equal to a. This is the x is equal to a. Dividing as a two equal parts. This part and this part are equal. This part and this part are equal, dividing as a two equal parts. So two equal parts, find the area. Okay, two equal parts, find the area. Okay, na? This part and this part is equal, find the area. So everyone observe very carefully. 0 to a area is equal to a to 4 area is equal. Okay, na? I will put the name 0 a b. This area is equal to a p q. This area is equal. Okay, na? So two times. That's why I will take only this part. This part means easy to understand. So this part I will take. So O P A area, this area is equal to this area, x values is given, therefore vertical strips with the dx. Okay, na? Write down the area of OAB is equal to area of AB. This is the PQ. Put the name PQ. This is the area OPB is equal to area of. So area of PBAQ. Right. This area equals our downside also. We have as you can take 2 times. 2 will be cancelled. Okay, na? So that's why I am going to take area is the integral of 0 to a y into dx, y value into dx, because of x values are given, vertical strips is equal to a to 4 y into dx, y into dx, a value also x value, 4 also x value, vertical strips. So now 0 to a, what is the y value in the curve is root x into dx is equal to a to 4 root x into dx. Now find the area. Root x indefinite integration is the x power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Limits are 0 to a x power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Limits are a to 4. Here constant 3 by 2 is cancelled. Apply the upper limits and lower limits, simplify, we get the a value. Upper limit, lower limit, simplify, you get the a value fast. Upper limit is a power of 3 by 2, lower limit is 0. Upper limit is 4 power of 3 by 2 minus lower limit is a power of 3 by 2.